The wife, look at that sucker jump. My boy got a nice one over there. That's a nice rainbow.
Try to be able to get a hold of it.
Nice. Right. Out here today with the family. They're headed home. So we're stopping with them a couple places out here. You know, the spillway. We're down here taking my son-in-law down here. He wants to go fishing down here. So we're going to go check it out and see how it goes, man. There's my boys getting out. There's Kevin. What's up, Kev? Kevin.
Kevin, what's up?
What are you doing, Kevin? Hey, Kev. We call him Cabby. Yeah, so we're gonna put our waders on and go check it out. Hang out. See if I can get down here and get into my little spot that I want to go to. Hopefully there's nobody down in there. We'll find out when we get there. Yeah. Into the bushes. Into there, into there. And there he is. Nobody down there. Thank God. Oh, there's Kyle. All right. Changed it up to a mini jig. We'll see what we could do here with this. Dude, these fuckers ain't nothing, dude. They're not biting anything. Yeah. Got him. Nice one. Oh yeah. See if I can get him over here without breaking this off. Come on. Come on. Up this river, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Nice one. Come on. Come on, right here. Right here. Right here. Right here, right there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, nice one. That's a beautiful trout. Look at that hook jaw on that sucker. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Hold on, buddy. He got out. All right. Nice. Nice. Got that skunk off. That was a nice trout right there. I didn't even get to look at him really. Look at that sucker jump. My boy got a nice one over there. That's a nice rainbow.
That's a natty.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, he's a natty. He's still got teeth and everything. Natty.
Nice. We're gonna go to Robinson's Creek in a few, and that's fucking just all day, dude, catching. Don't break it off. Grab a hold of the fish. Hold him up there.
Grab him. It's right here in the lip.
Yeah, I don't want to get my fucking pole tangled up on you. You see?
Bam, got it.
Got it?
I was trying to be able to get a hold of it.
Nice. What are you using? Yeah. Just dripped them in there. Slowly, slowly. Not like that. Now pop it a little bit. Pop it a little bit. Slowly. Let it drift. And just go slowly. Just a couple reels and pop, pop. Couple reels, pop, pop. All right, well, got a couple at the spillway. Me and my boy. Kyle hasn't got one, so we got to take him to Twin Lakes now. We're gonna go up there to Rancho. Got to get my stepson on a couple fish, man. My son-in-law, not my stepson, my son-in-law. Got to get him on some fish, man. He wants to fish. He only caught a couple smallies at Topaz, so we're gonna get up here Robinson's Creek at Twin Lakes and try it out up there. See how it goes. Stay tuned. We'll talk to you guys later. See a couple. Back in that corner. See him? Oh, see him over there? I'm going under my bridge to start out. Nope. I scare him over. Man, they done come down here and wiped it out. There's a couple fish, but they don't want to bite nothing. Oh man, it's bright out here. Sitting out here, hanging out. Twin Lakes. I got a couple today, but we're trying to get Kyle on some. So.
Caught some yesterday.
Yeah, he caught some yesterday, but we need to get him out here. We're trying. We're trying. Stay tuned. Candy necklaces.
Her eat it.
Her's eating it. Blech. Are those bland? Are they sugary? Are they good?
They taste like tea.
They taste like chalk. Like flavored chalk.
Hey, look.
You come down and go swimming, go over in here. That's my girl. Come on, keep on swimming. A little bit more. A little bit more. There you go. It's beautiful out here though, isn't it?
The water's nice and big too. On the way down,
That's what, you guys go back. There's like probably about 20 more lakes like this.
Yes, on the way down.
All the way down.
Yeah, come here.
Off the little beaten path. Here we go. the little daredevil.